pack, move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Macon Bibb County local, and long-distance movers near me. Moving across state lines can be rather stressful. Whether you're moving a few hundred miles or 1,000 miles, we're here to help. Our long-distance movers will ensure your belongings arrive safely to your final destination. We also offer the following services: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. You might be concerned about the cost of hiring a Georgia moving company. It might seem difficult to justify. However, when you look at the advantages, the cost may not seem like that big of a deal anymore. Our team of local movers will help save you plenty of time and provides you with peace of mind. Hiring a trusted moving company, such as 3 Movers, ensures your move will go smoothly. We streamline the entire process from packing to loading, to transportation to unloading. A move that might take you a few days to complete will likely take us a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Macon Bibb County moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.